Australia, I'm a go. Yeah, I'm a go. Yeah, going to that city. Yeah, I'm a go. We're going to the city. Yeah, oh yeah,
Bacon. Peanut butter for mine. So I undo it. And then I gotta put the knife in here. And then I spread it. Peanut butter tsunami. It's gonna kill us. Dang. I'm doing smooth. And I'm done. I can like this. It's good. So my dad heated up this bacon really good, and I'm gonna crumple it over my sandwich. Really good. Like crumbling up this bacon. Around the edges too. And I think that's good enough. I got a bad boy, bacon, and turkey. I am gonna tear this turkey apart. Pieces of crumble. Me and Noah were eating sandwiches. I said I was gonna eat this big bad boy. And then we just started calling them bad boys. Spread out the salamis. 4 salamis. 4 salamis. I need more bacon. This piece. Good. Get ready for the flip. And flip.
How is it?
Your bun fell on the ground.